Mommy, do you like it?
I like it. It's glowing.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Lydia Stanley. If you're not new, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today is Thursday, 16th September, and my wedding is coming up on 2nd October. So the kind of bouquet I want, which is going to be the task we're going to be doing today, I want it to be rustic and sunflower based. Sunflower does not grow in Nigeria, which I know. I don't mind using fake flowers for my wedding, which I did. I ordered a lot of flowers from Amazon, and Biola Beauty helped me ship them to Nigeria. Biola Beauty is amazing. She's a godsend. This my wedding, and all my DIYs I've been doing in this wedding would not have been possible without her. Like, even my wedding dress, she helped me order the lace. Let me get down and quickly show you. 2 weeks and I've not finished sewing my wedding dress, so you know the chaos that is happening. So this is how the wedding dress lace came packaged.
Sorry, I can't catwalk now because I don't have gown to wear.
I'm telling Esther and Favor to learn how to catwalk because they are going to be my not so little bridesmaids. I'm not having bridesmaids. And Peace will be my chief, and the two of them are right here walking like Goose even has catwalk self. This is the lace. It is so pretty. Look at the details. This is why I got this lace. These details right here. So, but this tutorial is not about my wedding dress because I don't know how to do anything like regards sewing. Maybe if I could sew, I wish that I can sew. The detail I would have paid attention to in my dress. Oh, I'm not even going to call it a tutorial. You're going to hang out with me while I try to figure out my bouquet. So I'll just show you my supplies. I'm going to try to make them myself. I might not even know some of the names of these flowers. Like, I had to be googling them as I was ordering them. But I ordered a lot of greeneries because I want it to look like I went to the garden to pick the flowers in the morning. So I made sure they were quite like realistic looking and not plastic. I got, Esther, please help me bring those ones closer. I got these ones. Like, it's going to be so cute. I'll show you my inspo picture in a moment. Then look at my sunflowers. I got them in bright yellow. I would have gotten 4 yellow, but if you know me, you know how much I love sunflowers, and I'm so happy that I'm able to use it in my bouquet. So we don't know how this flower is going to turn out. The sunflower came in their stems. This is what the stem of the sunflower looks like. The first time I came in contact with a real sunflower was in Jos with my baby. This is what it looks like. It's quite long. I got a mix of dried flowers and fake flowers. So this one is a dried flower. This is to come out brand new. So this will be one of my accent flowers. It's a cotton flower. It's so cute. Look at the cotton plant here. They wrapped it to preserve it. So you see this tiny flower here? I got a lot of it. Hey, I hope this thing will not start giving me pollen allergies. These ones too are dried. You can see how pretty they look. Like, the baby's bread too are real. They are real, but they are dried. So that's why they don't have the bright white look. Eucalyptus, where are they? So this is the fresh eucalyptus. I might not use all my eucalyptus plants, but most of the tutorials I was saying, they say buy eucalyptus. So this is the fresher one, and this is the withering one. I got daisies as well. Like, this will also be my filler flowers. More greenery. I love fake plants because you can literally bend them anyway and they will stay. But the real ones, I don't know about them so much. But these fake ones, I got these ones with the baby's breath, so you can see the difference between the fake ones and the real one. I'm not certain yet, but I bought these burlap flowers for my bridesmaids, Peace, Favor, and Esther, 3 of them. So it's just very pretty. It has this lace detail, and it's all made from this jute material, which let me show them. Which I'll be wrapping my own flower in. So to kind of match. Tomorrow next, I'm moving to my husband's house, so it's gonna be a stressful few days. I was telling Esther that I think I might go crazy with attention to details, because I don't think anybody really pays attention to what they are carrying their rings to in church. But I took it out of the packaging that they came in and I put them in this. Like, it is so cute. These are the rings. Cuties. So first step is to get my greeneries right. I'm trying to make it slightly cascading, and they advise to have a mirror in front of you. So my mirror is in front of me right now. I'm trying to get a shape. So if I hold it like this, you get.
Lights flash in the dark. I know you're coming back, aiming at my heart. And these things never come from me easily, no. But now I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready, ready. Emotions repeating, though it's been so long. I know what you're thinking, I know. I wanna spend all our time now, for better or worse. I know the past is gone, and now you're all I want. I would never.
What? This is what?
Is this green ring?
Esther says green ring. I don't know where the green you went to.
Well, most of
I'm looking scared that I have more greens than I have colors. But I'm hoping that these sunflowers will bring. Oh, it looks
Can
so
you see?
pretty. Okay, we still have hope. So we'll go choose this one now.
Are we still going to time?
Seriously, we never finish make them like this. Never finish.
Give it all up for you. I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up. I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up for you. I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up.
Oh God, no.
I would. You know that I would. Lights flash in the dark. Just close your eyes and we'll be shooting.
So far so good. I think it's coming around nicely. I really like it. What it's looking like so far. I'm going to leave the rest of these three. It will be their bridesmaids flowers. Esther said that they will just hold the stems
With the single ladies.
like one.
Oh, the single ladies.
Should we tie
Bye.
them?
I think we should.
So when you tie them, I'll just glue this leaf here. So. Wait, now I never come out. Ah. I want to bouquet my hand. Wait, before you make that one tie, I feel like one more here when you do that. You see?
Yep.
That's all.
I see.
I see snake. I go. Look at how the knot is looking like. We'll still make it finer, but Esther has tied and untied. It's so fine. Oh my god. Aww. What if proper floral arrangers are looking at it like trash? Like the flowers are not coordinated. Like we're looking at it with our eye of.
Consign them.
You know how when I look at somebody that does makeup, I'll know
yes. For we first timers, I think we did good. Because back in the States, I used to see people. Why would you let me shine? What's all these?
Where I made like a custom because at this point we're at the point of filling in the bouquet. So I made like a custom flower arrangement with glue gun because they are all fake except this one. These ones are dried. So I just glued it with eucalyptus, and then I just want to fill it in here. You see how there's a hole there? I want to fill it in like so, like that, so that it also has the second one here.
And you know I can't wait for forever no more. Now tell me, are you ready? Are you ready? Ready? Emotions repeating, though it's been so long. I know what you're thinking, I know.
This is the semi-finished bouquet. If I still need to add anything, I would, but then I'll now clean up the stem and make it look cute. But this is it. Hi, my love. Please.
Hey, this is beautiful.
Come and stand there.
It's even scented.
I want my camera people to see it.
Yeah.
Mommy, do you like it?
I like it. It's glowy.
It's glowy.
You want me to carry it first? Me, I don't wear though. Let me do another wedding. But it's fine.
Thank you, Mom.
But will you throw this one?
No. We'll still make that handle stronger.
Yeah.
Mommy, my first time ever doing this.
It's fine. You really arrange it.
I've never done flower arrangement in my life.
It's fine.
Thank you, Mommy.
And I like this. I've been of them the same.
Now then they sing. Some of them they sing. Naim. Cutie. So this is, where are you running to? I can still see your head. So this is the final finished look. By now my wedding would have happened, so I'll put my wedding picture here. Oh my god, even now as I'm saying it, I don't know how I'll look. But this is what the flower looks like. I'm gonna head to wrap it with more of this this jute. I got a lot. I'll probably use this for some DIY. I know me. This is my first time doing a bouquet. Like, I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. OMG. I sent a picture to Priscilla and my friend Anu, and they were both very happy for me. I sealed off this stuff I showed you. I made this, I cut off more stems and I just hot glued it. It looks like the stems came all the way, but most of the stems were stopping here because of the cascading look. But I did that here to make it have that look, and I really love it. I put this pin here to tell me where, like without looking at a mirror, I'll know exactly where the flower is meant to be. So that's why I put this. Wherever my thumb gets to it is my sign. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching this video, if you did, and hanging out with me. I started this not trusting that I could, but I did. I still have a lot more flowers than I anticipated. There's still a lot more, but I'll just keep them. If I feel like I need to add more, I will, but honestly I feel like it's perfect like this. So let me know what you think. Do you think I did a good job? First time ever making a bouquet, first time ever, and it's my wedding bouquet. Do you think I did a good job? I'm so excited. Let me know down below. Leave me a comment with your butterfly, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Bye.
Yeah, do you know how hard it was for me to stay down here?
Why were you hiding
I was
down
so
there?
uncomfortable.
Who sent you to hide down there?